Hi. I'm not wearing any makeup today and I thought I would do a vlog video because it's been a while. What better than to make a vlog when you look at your worst? So I have a spot here. I've got coconut oil in my hair and I'm suffering with a really sore under eye. I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly why I have a sore under eye. So we're currently in the new house. Well, it's not new. So since I've moved house twice since December, we're settling in really good. The last couple days it's been snowing outside. I'm really sorry if you guys don't like the look of this greasy hair right now, but I am going to be bleaching my roots hopefully today, if not tomorrow. So I've smothered coconut oil all over my hair just to help protect it a bit more, because it really does help if you put coconut oil on your hair before you bleach it. But I just wanted to show you guys the snow that's outside in the garden. It's really cute. It's snowy. So I think it was 2 weeks ago now that there was so much snow. It was about 1.5 feet deep outside and it was really, really cool. I really like these curtains. They got flowers on them. Yes, and they came with the house, so that's alright. So I'm gonna go upstairs now and I'm going to show you guys exactly why I have sore under eyes. The stairs is wooden as well, so every time someone goes up and down the stairs, it creaks. Okay, so what's been making my eyes sore is basically these Johnson's face care wipes. It's like a full pack, but I've used them a few times and every time I have used them, my eyes go so sore and then they go red and flaky and stuff. I only used one wipe yesterday to remove my makeup because I had nothing else, and already my eyes feel really sore. If I continued to use these, my face would go pretty messed up. I remember I bought Johnson's wipes about a year and a half ago, and I had to stop using them because my face got really irritated. It was crazy. And then for some reason I ended up getting the Johnson's wipes again when I went to visit my brother. I don't know why. It was probably because they were on sale or they were on offer, so I got them. But then I realized that was a big mistake because last time I got them, my eyes didn't like it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some makeup on just to make myself look a little bit better. Okay, I'm just gonna give my hair a little brush because it looks so wrong right now because it's got all the coconut oil in. Don't judge me. So I'm going to be making a separate video about this, but I ended up getting the new Revolution stick foundation. I've seen this everywhere all over Instagram and it's meant to be really good full coverage stick foundation. So I ended up getting it in F1 and F3, and apparently there is 18 shades altogether, so F1 being the lightest. I think it looks amazing, but if I show you guys really quickly, this is the F1. Ooh. So I'm gonna just put some makeup on. Normally I put some primer on, but I don't know, I just want to cover this up, so. Okay, I do have my photography box light on, which is like directly in front of me, so it's probably really bright, but at least you can see what I'm doing and the foundation and all that jazz. I ended up getting a new brush. This is a Real Techniques brush. I don't actually like it. I wanted to get the blender which you use for your highlights for the under eye, and then I realized this is way too chunky to do the under eye. It's more like a wipe off your powder sort of brush, not like bake under your eye sort of brush. I wanted to get a lot smaller, but you know. Okay, so I hope putting this foundation on doesn't make my eyes look even worse, because sometimes when you put foundation on, the under eye just goes so flaky and creased and it doesn't look good. I can't see, guys, my eyesight. Oh god. We ended up getting a projector and Sushi decided to go crazy and pull the cables, so the projector went flying across the room. Oh man. So now the projector has like this little black dot in the middle of the screen. So annoying considering I just got it. So if you guys have any ideas on how to get a little flake of dust from the inside of a projector, please let me know. I don't know why, but I just decided I wanted to make a vlog video because I feel like all my videos at the moment, I feel really distant from you, and I want us to have that connection again where we're like, oh yeah, I know her, oh yeah, you know? Lately, because I've been making quite a lot of tutorials and hair videos, well, when I was doing it, you know. I was making tutorials and hair videos. I just want to be able to have that, oh yeah, she's really down to earth sort of thing, she's cool, you know, rather than like, oh yeah, it's just like how-tos, there's nothing else about it, I show you what to do. I always used to make vlog videos. I don't know why I'm not making vlog videos anymore, probably because I feel like my life is but it isn't. I just inhaled all that powder. Oh my goodness. On a couple reviews for this foundation, some people were like, oh, it's a little bit cakey. But if you have dry skin, the creamier the foundation, the better. It kind of gets rid of that dry skin, you know? My skin is a combination. So like on my T-zone, it can get a little bit oily. Oh yeah, my eyes, man. This one's gone really swollen. Can you see this? I've been using this lipstick lately. It's Matte 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 Long Lasting Lip Gloss by Essence. You can get this in Wilkinson's. Oh yeah, baby. So I'm planning to bleach these bad boy roots. I wanted to do it today, but it's Monday today, guys. You know, if you watched me before, I always used to say to myself, I don't do Mondays, so this is gonna be like a little vlog sort of thing. I don't know, I just want to go with my own flow, you know, stop following other people's. Why should we follow other people's stuff? We're good at following our own little things, you know. I'm just gonna put some Too Faced medium matte bronzer on my cheeks a little bit, just so I don't look so dead. Apparently they changed the packaging for this, so this is the older packaging. It says 10 grams, so 0.35 of an ounce, and they've changed the packaging so now you get 0.28 of an ounce, which is really dodgy because you're still paying the same price. That's pretty messed up, right? That's why they're two-faced. Finally, let's just put some mascara. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. It's just whacking it on. It's one of those days. There we go. Done for the makeup. Look a little bit better, right? Okay guys, so I got a new tattoo a couple days ago and it's in the healing process. It's on my ankle. It is a cover-up. I don't know if you guys remember, I had a tattoo of a cupcake on my ankle. I also had one of those infinity symbols that everyone has got and everyone seems to think it's cool, but it really isn't. Do not get your tattoos off Google, okay? Do not do it because everyone will have the same shit. So I ended up getting a cover-up of a couple of tattoos on my ankle. It's still healing, but I wanted to show you. I am going to be getting proper pictures and posting it when it's completely finished, because it isn't quite finished yet, but I still wanted to let you know that I had a new tattoo and it's going good. And I feel like an old lady because my ankle has gone really swollen compared to the other one. You know, I don't know if you guys have noticed, you know, old people get swollen ankles due to water retention. I feel like that. I feel like I have like one swollen ankle. But yeah. But once this is healed, it's gonna look so good. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between my ankles, but this is so swollen right now. Look at the colours on that. Okay, so time to make a coffee. Got this new coffee machine. Really loving it right now. So you lift that up. So you put the cartridge in there. Pop it back in. It helps if I turned it on, really, wouldn't it? Yeah. You have to wait for this light to turn green. Today I'm shuffling. Yay! And then this side goes cold water, this side goes hot water, so bam! Now we have the coffee coming out. Oh yeah. That's how you get perfect coffee. Okay guys, so I'm in my living room right now, just gonna chill out. I'm gonna edit this video for you. But before I do, I wanted to ask you guys if you have any questions you would like me to answer. If you have any video requests, please let me know. I did have a page of questions that I had written up to answer from last year, but it's kind of out of date now and I wanted to know if there was any new questions that you want me to answer. Otherwise, most of the questions were kind of like to do with Amsterdam and traveling and that sort of jazz. If you want me to answer those questions still, I can. So I'm going to do a Q&A video. You can always tweet me the questions. Yeah, I want to get back in to the questions and answer videos. The cat is looking at me so weird right now. Hello, hello. So my partner tried to make this toy. It was just a scratching post with this toy we got from Pound World. She isn't bothered by it at all. You spin this round so it's all tight on the elastic. It did have a feather sticking out, but she ends up biting every bit of elastic, and then it spins round. You're not amused, are you, Sushi? She's like, what the hell? This monkey, she got into the kitchen a couple of days ago and ate a whole bowl of cheese. Yeah, you did. She's like, did I? Oh, it was yummy. Oh, you want to be in the camera? You are in the camera, my little cutie pie. So I need some food scales so I know exactly how much I'm feeding her. I'm just doing it by eye right now. You know, I won't be overfeeding her too much food because she's just constantly hungry, like all the time. She begs for food and every time we're in the kitchen, she's like, meow, meow. I had my coffee. Please let me know if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, and also if you have any video requests. I'm going to try and bleach my roots today, if not tomorrow, so that will be exciting. Because the previous time that I bleached my roots, I've actually did it a different way than what I normally do. It's a lot better, it prevents damage. It's just as simple though as brushing the bleach on, but the only difference is I have a little bit of an extra thing to put on your hair to help protect it. So I'm gonna let you guys know that new technique when I bleach my roots. It should be up on my channel within the next week or so, so keep your eyes open. I also have the video for how I did these nails, these gel nails. They're so pretty. I have called the video Natural Looking Gel Nails because originally, how do I stop this monkey? How do I stop her from scratching the sofa? If you have any ideas to stop the cat from scratching the sofa, that would be great. But I did do my nails. They were originally natural looking nails, but then I decided I wanted a little bit more bling bling, so I put some glitter varnish on. So the video tutorials of that is on my channel. My hair, it looks all wet and greasy and it's just, you know, all part of the beauty. So if you want to have your hair in good condition, just put coconut oil on it all the time. Also guys, very quickly, I wanted to share with you the cream that I put on fresh healing tattoos. I use Papanthum. This is the cream that I use. I would highly recommend using this if you have a new tattoo. I wouldn't use anything else and it always gets the tattoos looking its best. So apply this 2 or 3 times a day just to stop it from drying out and prevent it from getting a scab on it. So it should look something like this. If it's got a really thick scab on it, that's not good. It means you didn't clean it properly when you got home. When you rinse a fresh tattoo, I rinse it down with water, a pat dry with a paper towel. Make sure it is a paper towel because otherwise if you use a normal towel, then all the hairs will get stuck in it. But you need to make sure you got rid of all the goop. Is it goop or like the gooey stuff that comes out of the tattoo? So once you've rinsed that away with water, apply Papanthum 2 or 3 times a day, prevent it from drying up, and then after about a week or so, it will finish peeling. So about on day 3 or 4, it will start to peel. I'm on about day 2, 3 now, so give it another couple days and it will start to peel. So guys, I'm also going to be dyeing my hair a brand new colour after I bleach my roots, and I'm so excited. It's been so long since I've had my hair a different colour. I don't know why, but I really loved having my hair this coloured blonde. But it's time for a change. As much as I love this blonde, I don't know, I just don't feel myself. I mean, I feel myself, but I feel like when I have a different coloured hair compared to like a natural colour, I feel a lot more myself. Does that make sense? So I wanted to share with you like a little quote that I saw on the internet the other day, and it said, to have something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. Does that make sense to you? So to have something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. And I thought that made so much sense, and it's true. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because I know some of you say to me, I wish I could do that. I wish I could dye my hair, or I wish I could do this. And you can do anything you put your mind to. There is nothing stopping you from doing what you want to do. So I wanted to just share that with you because I love you all so much, and I want to give you the confidence to do what you've always wanted to do. So don't stop yourself, don't pull yourself back or push yourself back. You have the power to do whatever you want to do, and don't let other people control that, okay, ever. So thank you for watching this video guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, go subscribe, go thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.